Okay, so jumping straight into it, we want to find government spending. Let's read out the problem, see what we have given to us. It says that the workers earn 50 in wages, so I'll just write wage equals 50. 5 came from net labor and capital payments from abroad, so we're going to call that our NFIA. Population consumed 70, so the consumption, C, was 70. Capital income, also known as rent, was 26. Depreciation was 20. Investment was 25. We'll just put an I for that. Indirect tax, 15. And imports exceeded exports by 10. So NX, net exports, is -10. If you don't know why, that's because NX is exports minus imports. And if imports exceed exports, then it's going to be a negative. And our goal is to work with this formula here to figure out what government spending was, but we don't have everything we need for that yet. We don't have Y. And we don't have, and we're going to find Y through this formula here. And we are given NI. Well, we're not given NI, but we're given wage plus rent, which gives us NI. So just write that out. NI equals wage plus rent. Our wage is 50. Our rent is 26, which leads NI to being 76. And now we could plug it into this formula right here in order to find Y. So we have Y equals 76 minus NFIA, which we set as 5, which was given as 5, plus depreciation was as 20, plus indirect tax, which is 15. So now you have to put these together, and that gives us Y equals 106. And now we have everything we need in order to find G. And this formula right here. So we just need to plug it in, and it's fairly simple. You could isolate G to begin with, but it's not really necessary unless it helps you. So Y equals 106 equals 70, which is consumption, plus I, which is 25. We haven't found the G yet, so we'll just leave the G alone. Plus NX, which we set as -10. Okay, so now we continue on to the next step. This is 85 plus G. And then you subtract 85 from both sides, which gives us 21 equals G. If you're in an earlier macroeconomics class like intro, you probably won't need these second formulas. You'll just need to know how to work with this top one. And basically it's the same thing. You just gotta know to plug stuff in. You just gotta know to, it helps to write stuff out. This formula is pretty easy to memorize. Just think of it as Y equals sig nx. And then you could just piece it together. It's not too bad.